What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm gonna be doing a little unboxing here. I got a Sky-Hi car audio amp wiring kit. It is 0 gauge. It is CCA wire, so this is just temporary, that's why I went with CCA. But yeah, I just got a little system put together just to have some bass for the time being until I get everything done for my actual system. But yeah, this is my first time getting a Sky-Hi car audio, really anything besides the bass knob. So open it up here. This wire I did get extra, so this doesn't come with it. I just bought that separate. He just put it in the box. But everything you see here is what comes with it. Some RCAs. Nice little fuse block. It is a 300 amp fuse. And then it does come with, I believe, 12 gauge wire in here too. So everything here on the back. Alright, so yep, let me undo it here. Alright, so here's the remote wire. It's a 16 gauge remote wire. It's actually bigger than most of the kits. I mean, I usually get like some Amazon kits. They have a little tiny, like 18 or whatever, 24. I forget what gauge it is, but it's super small. Alright, so here's everything. We got some 12 gauge speaker wire here. Looks good. Some 16 gauge remote wire here. Got the 0 gauge. This is CCA. Looks good. There's the ground. Got some grommets in here and some zip ties. Fuse block and the RCAs. So that's everything that comes with it. Of course, besides that wire up there, that's extra stuff I bought, so I didn't know it came with speaker wire, or at least I didn't know it came with 12 gauge speaker wire.